in this lab, I asked you guys to do this so on Codepen because I don't want you to think about anything else except this line. I'm writing one line of HTML and a few JavaScript. Just notice the change in concept here. In the past, you write a lot of HTML, and then you write one line of JavaScript. This is just changing so you write a few lines of HTML, and then the rest is in JavaScript. So reverse. You're going to write HTML inside JavaScript. Okay, that's one thing. And we just need something to insert the HTML in. This is how you get the own element without what? Without jQuery. The jQuery way is, instead of bar, you use the jQuery way. Maybe you can write this so it looks more like a jQuery element, and then you can do this. It's quite similar, yeah. But you don't need many jQuery functions, so just use this root thing like this.
So this get element by deeping, is that like HTML5?
Yeah.
Okay.
HTML in general, yes. HTML5 has a lot more cool thing. Document that get element. I think it doesn't have autocomplete. By tag name, and then you get elements by tag name or class name, because those guys are elements. Or I think they even have query selector. And this is similar to the $sign. I think $sign will also work. So this is common enough, right? And then just learn to love Codepen, because sometimes it's really convenient. You see how I can just do that right here. Right console. Some simple console, you can see it right there without opening with the custom console, Chrome console. Just click here. Anything you write here will work. For example, I show you that this is, let's say, without jQuery. You can still find the root by query document.query selector. So that's a different way. Then this is like query selector. This is a lot of ways you can learn that easily, and it can still find this element. It's up to you, really. Some people find that this is easier to read because we're all familiar with HTML with the CSS selector syntax. Yeah. However, this is from a very early days. It's compatible with all browsers, so people kind of like it. So it's up to you. That's one thing to notice, so you don't get too surprised. Second, we're just including two libraries. So just click here. This is React, this is React DOM. Maybe you don't need jQuery, up to you if you like jQuery, keep it. And then you just learn, one function to learn is React DOM.render, and another is React.createElement. So that will, you try it. It will be pretty much today, in the first tutorial, is that we basically have some element that is like some React element. So we component or something, right? React.createElement. And then you know some sort of syntax in here. But after that, then you can insert this element. It will convert into an HTML, insert into the DOM. So then you say React DOM.render, and then you put that element into this root. So you just insert that. But it's powerful because now you can create one element inside another element. So play with the tutorial.
Is render kind of like an ERB?
No, because ERB is like templating. React takes the JavaScript. React uses this syntax, the JavaScript template, but you have an idea when you start doing it. So normally with jQuery, what do? You say that root element, HTML. So this is how you change it to something else. Okay. You see how that turned into hello? Another non-jQuery, the DOM. Then you do this, and then it will replace that. But we're not using this. We're using React DOM rendering, so that it will look like this. This is my hello world, where the first part is I'm creating an element. It's a div with a class name if needed. That is CSS there. Right? And then here's the text inside the element. So tag name, tag of attributes, and then elements. But that is now it's in the tree format. That's why it's powerful, because it's not a flat file. It's not just text. And then you insert that into the group, and that's how you have in the world. So do the exercise, and then I'll check back with you some learning from that. We do these mini things, so you don't, so everyone can be on the same page and focus on your project. Don't worry, I'll show you how to put this into Rails later. And this week we'll also learn how you can launch 2 separate apps. One is the Rails API. This is only the API, no view whatsoever. And then you can run something on the front end that just talks to the API. That allows you to work as a front end developer separately with a back end developer. Yeah. If you have any variable or anything, you separate it out. This is just JavaScript. Just do anything that reminds you of JavaScript. Create a function, or anything.